In this modern world, a router must for home or offices. You can find it everywhere. It provides an efficient path between different networks. Here, we will discuss in detail about what is router, how it works, its various types and things to consider before buying the best router for you. A device that interconnects and communicates between the internet and the devices at our home/offices is called router. A router routes or directs traffic between the devices and the internet. Let's understand first, what does router do? The basic use of internet normally at home could be an email or message sharing, watching movie, or a video call. Each activity needs different amount of bandwidth. Depends upon the kind of activity done, the amount of bandwidth varies. Keeping in account the data shared is fast and accurate itself is a big task, and even getting bigger. Once we add more devices, we expect more from our router. Routing is a process in which IP packets are forwarded from one network to another. A router interfaces these networks together and routes the traffic between them. Here, the router has two NIC cards, i.e. NIC1 and NIC2. NIC1 provides support to the first network in which PC1 is connected. NIC2 supports second network in which PC2 is connected. Here we can see types of routers. There are mainly two types of routers: wireless routers, wired routers. As name implies, wireless router provides Wi-Fi access to smartphones, tablet, laptop, and other devices, which is having Wi-Fi network capabilities. With the use of built-in antennas, router then connects with home Wi-Fi network. Wired routers link directly to computers or other devices by means of wired connections. In wired routers, there is one port through which the modem, which interconnect with the internet, is connected. Other port or ports of wired routers connect computers and other devices by wired connection to have internet access. Once we want to have an internet connection, we have to reach Internet Service Provider, ISP. Depends upon the need of internet, personal, education, business, etc. ISP recommends us a router and a modem or combination of both. Here are few points to consider before choosing the best router: coverage, performance, security, control. In home Wi-Fi, signals mostly depend on the size of the home. We need to look for routers that has the capacity to reach every corners of home even it is far. In addition, check routers that have a mesh network, so that we can extend the Wi-Fi capabilities across the home. Technology keeps on changing, so always consider to have such routers that use the latest technology and updated firmware. Multi-user multiple input multiple output technology MU-MIMO is one such new technology. MU-MIMO allows Wi-Fi routers to communicate with multiple devices instantaneously. As a result, it reduces the wait time and increases network speed. Security of Wi-Fi is most important thing to be kept in mind. It is better to have routers that provides protection at network level. It is good to look for a router with built-in security features. It is very important to buy routers that can be controlled easily. Check routers that are easy to install and use. If possible, go for routers that has user-friendly apps. Once we set up a new router or upgrade an existing one in our home, we should make sure certain things such as its features, functionality, or facilities. For more details, please visit